So this is day 5 of saving and investing the sum of 1,000 every single day for the period of 90 days, which will take October, November, December. And of course, your boy is here to remind you whether you've saved for today. If you have saved, let me know in the comment section how much you saved. If you've not started, let me know the reason why you have not started in the comment section. Even if you don't know your whereabouts, just feel free to let me know in the comment section and I'll be there to interact with you. All right, when you look on the screen, you will discover that I have saved my own 1,000 for the day, and of course I'm not forcing you to save exactly 1,000 for the day. If you can't be able to be doing that, cut your clothes according to your size. Just like I always say, if you can be able to save 500 every single day for the period of that 90 days, then go ahead and do it. If it is 150 or 50 naira that you can be able to do, go ahead and do it. But if you can be able to save even more than 1,000 naira every single day, you can be able to save 5,000, 10,000, or even 100,000 every single day, then go ahead and do it. All right, now in case you are coming across this channel for the first time and you are feeling like you are too late to join this channel, then I'm letting you know that you are not too late. In fact, I want you to start today, okay? Because you are never too late. All right, now the two tips I'm going to give you to stay consistent is to cut down on your expenses and then automate your saving. Yes, I've been saying that from the day one of this challenge. Cut down on your expenses, because if you have money, that is when you can be able to invest. If you don't have money, I don't see how you can be able to invest. We're trying to build that consistency, that culture of being able to save, so we can be able to start investing. Now, you don't need to only be saving the money. If you can be able to do it in a way of buying stocks or buying shares, right? I've thought about how to buy stocks, but if you have not watched that video, then I'm going to link it towards the end of this video so you can go through that. It's not much you can save the money. You can decide to use that money you want to be saving every day to be invested in stock buying, right? Yes, so let me know if you have not started the challenge. Let me know the reason why. If you have started, let me know how much you have saved. If you have saved, let me know in the comment section that yes, I've saved my own money for the day. And I'm always going to be making video every single day reminding you to save the money. All right, so in case if there's anything I'm forgetting to say, then let me know in the comment section. If I've gotten to this point, go ahead and click the like button, and I personally want you to join this beautiful family by smashing that subscription button, and don't forget to turn on that bell notification. It's very, very important. All right, now just like I always say, keep winning and always know that Leo loves you. And until tomorrow when I'm going to see you again, bye for now.